Alright guys, welcome to my latest unboxing. Let's hope that after many months of trial and error and research that we get something decent here. As you have seen from my previous videos, the research and the path to FPV is a very difficult one. And what we have here is the Betafpv HX toothpick. Alright, so first of all, the box looks pretty good. It is perfectly sealed. And let's hope that I can bind this to the remote that I have, that the batteries that I bought for it will work. There's so many things that go into this, that the goggles hook up. So we'll just have to see how that works. Anyway, in the next video, I will actually grab the knife and cut through this packaging, and we'll see what's inside. Thanks for watching.
Likey.